Isi Siobhán McGrath, Laoch na hImeartha, Siobhán Comgháirdeachas, many congratulations. You're through to another All-Ireland final.
I know, I actually just trying to take it all in now. It's unbelievable. Such a competitive and tough game out there, and I'm just delighted and chuffed for all the girls in the management team that we're back in the All-Ireland. We've worked really hard, and the last 3 weeks we're dogged, and we really pushed each other, and it's just shown out there.
We all knew coming into this game it was going to be extremely difficult between Cork and Dublin to see who would come out on top in the end. 7 times you were level in that first half. So going in at half-time, what was the management team saying to you?
It was really much like that we just really needed to push on. We always knew it was going to be tip and tough between us and Cork. It always is. But we just needed to believe in ourselves and our system, trust it, go out there and up our performance, up our work rate. And if we did that, we knew we had a very high chance of coming out.
Was there any talk about discipline? Because in that first half, Orla Finn kept Cork taking over with 4 frees.
Yeah, look, discipline is always at the forefront of our minds. We try and limit down our tackling, our frees as much as possible. But when it is a tight game like that and it's up and down and the pace of it, look, you limit down as much as you can, but it does happen.
We talk about a panel team, and that actually has Dublin had. I mean, substitutes were made. Noel Healy came on, Caoimhe O'Connor came on, both instrumental in getting that goal, which I suppose was a decisive score for Dublin.
Oh God, yeah. Our bench has always been like our bench born coming on to every game. They've always come in and made a massive impact. Like in our panel, you don't know who's going to be starting and you don't know who's going to be finishing, and that's the way you want it to be.
You're going to have plenty of competition now for places for the next 3 weeks. In Galway, we'll be meeting Galway on the All-Ireland final. Is there any talk now of 3 in a row, or has that been mentioned at all?
No, look, it's one game at a time, and it's every season at a time. So we just want to win the big prize at the end of the day. It doesn't matter if it's 3 in a row or our first one. We just want to win it.
Well, many congratulations and the best of luck in the final. You, of course, are Laoch na hImeartha, agus Alan Esselman on Shaw, Art Stewart, TG Carr, Gunnan Gratham of Ranu Urhi.